Hey guys, welcome to my channel Tech Info. Today we add VPN extension which name is ZENMATE in our Chrome file. Firstly we can open the Google Chrome. After that we can choose our file and we can search YouTube. You can see in the top that is there is a written IN, that means we are at an India location, and we can change our location in just following steps. You can search ZENMATE VPN extension and you can click on the first link. Our Chrome web store is open. Then you click on add to Chrome, add extension. Our extension is downloaded and we can open our VPN server. There is a quick tour of ZENMATE which we can skip for now. We have four locations: Germany, Romania, Singapore and US. In today's video we can use Singapore and our VPN is server is started, and now we again click on YouTube, and in the top you can see that as G is written, that means we are at Singapore location. By using ZENMATE VPN, we can change our location from one country to another country. I hope guys this is good for you. Thanks for your watching.